Hey guys, Andy Hayter with Porsche Center Calgary. Are you thinking about adding rear axle steer to your Cayenne, Panamera, or 911? Well, this video might be helpful to you. Three major things that are going to happen when adding your rear axle steer. You'll see increased agility, reduced turning radius at low speeds, and improved stability at high speeds. How it works. Basically what will happen at high speeds, your front and rear wheels will turn in the same direction. This is lengthening your wheelbase and giving you improved stability at high speeds. At low speeds, your wheels over here to the right are going to turn against one another, giving you a reduced turning radius, so a better turning circle. So great for Cayennes, parking in tight spots, downtown, great option. The rear axle steering is only available on 911, Panamera, and Cayenne. Cayenne, you do have to add the rear suspension as well as the Panamera. The rear axle steering comes standard on all 911 turbo models and all GT variant 911s. I've had first-hand experience with rear axle steering at a training event in Atlanta on the new 991.1. It was clearly evident with the rear axle steering that had superior handling through the slalom course. So obviously it's working really well. We're seeing very good lap record times on the 911 GT3, 3RS, and the 2RS, of course. So again, if you're looking for increased agility, reduced turning radius, improved stability at high speed, the rear axle steering might be an option for you. Thanks for tuning in. Andy Hayter, Porsche Center Calgary.